This is what's called a Thor's hammer. It's a beef shank cut with the bone left long for presentation. It comes from the lower leg of the animal, so it's hard-working. Lots of muscle, lots of connective tissue. That means it starts out tough. But when you cook it low and slow, it turns out incredibly rich and tender. It's also one of the most affordable cuts you can buy. Before we season, we're gonna have to trim off some of this silver skin.
Silver skin doesn't break down when it's cooked. Trim it carefully just under the membrane.
We're gonna tie this up with butcher's twine so it holds its shape. As it cooks, it can start to fall apart. Tying everything together keeps it tight and helps it cook evenly, and it gives you that clean, structured look when you plate it. We'll use some olive oil as a binder for our spices. We're keeping the seasoning simple, but very intentional. Salt and pepper to build the foundation. Smoked paprika ties it to the fire. Cumin adds depth. Coriander brings brightness to balance the richness. And garlic and onion round everything out.
We'll give it a mix and evenly coat our spices on all sides.
Because this is a long cook, we're gonna need to wrap this bone with foil for presentation.
Fire and smoke chunks are ready. Today we're cooking indirect. Let's build that deep smoky flavor.
A spritz every half hour to keep it moist. Our temp's at 165, time to braise.
Some beef stock, crushed tomatoes, give it a mix, and place our Thor's hammer. Now it's back on the grill. Cook's nearly finished. Let's prep some shallots, carrots, and garlic. Throw them on the grill and let that fire-kissed flavor round out our meal. Top with our braising sauce, and finish with fresh parsley. And we are ready to eat!